Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be taking a look to see if the Pixel 2 XL is still worth it in 2020. So let's get started. The device that we're going to be looking at today is the white 64GB Pixel 2 XL. This was released back in 2017 and roughly features a 6-inch 1440p display. The display is not nearly edge-to-edge, but it does not have an annoying notch that just about every smartphone seems to carry nowadays. Because of this, we get two loud and vibrant front-facing speakers that are awesome for watching movies and videos. But if wired audio is your go-to, Google has gone ahead and removed the headphone jack from their devices, hopping on the bandwagon with most other smartphone makers. So you're probably going to have to give wireless a go if you're considering the Pixel 2. The device is IP67 waterproof, but I would highly recommend not getting it wet. There have been some users expressing difficulties with water damage on the Pixel 2. Battery performance is also more than I could ask for. I am able to get through my entire workday with heavy usage on a single charge. Overall, this device is a refined mix of metal and glass, and it feels super premium in the hand. The orange power button is also a really nice design touch. Now let's talk about what makes Google devices so unique: their software. The Pixel 2 XL is running the latest version of stock Android, and it looks absolutely stunning. The stock Android experience is fast, fluid, and easy to use. The device is free of OEM bloatware and is packed with features, some of which include interactive notifications. These allow you to take action on your notifications without even going into the app. And with a squeeze of the device, you'll be able to pull up your Google Assistant, which is super convenient. The Pixel 2 XL also gives you access to the latest version of apps and games in the Play Store. The device is super responsive when gaming, and I've been having an enjoyable time gaming on the Pixel 2 XL. And a plus side of stock Android from a Google device is the ability to integrate with all of your existing Google hardware. With just a couple taps, I'm able to cast a YouTube video to almost all of my Google devices. Although this is possible on iPhones, I find it more easily integrated into the Android ecosystem. If a feature-packed and high-performance software experience is important to you, I'd highly recommend choosing the Pixel 2 XL even for 2020. Finally, let's go over the camera. Now, you will be lacking a dual or even triple camera system, but you are getting a high-quality 12-megapixel shooter capable of 4K video. You can have a look at some of the images and videos that I captured on this device. Even with a single camera, portrait mode seemed to work perfectly. And the front-facing camera does a great job of capturing high-quality images and videos. Overall, the Pixel 2 XL is both affordable, powerful, and easy to use. I'd recommend this device for anyone, even iPhone users. So yes, this device is totally worth your money in 2020. That's it for this video. Let me know what you guys thought of the Pixel 2 XL in the comments down below. Also, feel free to let me know what you've been up to as we're all keeping safe at home. Thanks for watching.